Today we're exploring the journey of Hugh Freeze, a prominent figure in college football who has coached at several major universities. Known for his offensive strategies and controversial past, Freeze's coaching career has seen many highs and lows. So, where is Hugh Freeze now? Let's find out. Hugh Freeze, born the 27th of September 1969, has had a long and winding path in football. He rose to national prominence as the head coach at the University of Mississippi from 2012 to 2016, where he achieved significant success, including back-to-back wins against Nick Saban's Alabama teams. However, his tenure at Ole Miss ended in scandal due to recruiting violations and personal conduct issues, leading to his resignation in 2017. After a brief hiatus and a successful stint at Liberty University, where he rebuilt his coaching record and took the team to 4 straight bowl games, Freeze returned to the Southeastern Conference, SEC, in November 2022 as the head coach for the Auburn Tigers. Freeze's time at Auburn was marked by high expectations, but ultimately disappointing results. In his first 2 full seasons, 2023 and 2024, the Tigers had losing records in the SEC. The 2025 season continued this trend, with offensive struggles and a 1-5 conference record, leading to increased scrutiny and calls for his removal. Compounding the professional pressure, Freeze was also diagnosed with low aggressive prostate cancer in February 2025 and began treatment. Where is he now? As of 2025, Hugh Freeze is no longer a head coach. He was fired by Auburn University on the 2nd of November 2025 after a 4-5 start to the season. He finished his tenure at Auburn with an overall record of 15-19. Freeze is owed over $15 million as part of his buyout, and his contract does not require him to seek a new job to offset these payments, giving him flexibility in his next steps. Industry sources speculate he may take time off to focus on his health and family, or could potentially return to coaching in a different capacity, perhaps as a play caller or at a Group of 5 program, but an immediate return as a Power 4 head coach is considered unlikely. Closing thoughts. Hugh Freeze's career continues to be a roller coaster of success and controversy. From a state championship high school coach to an SEC leader, and now an out-of-work coach managing a health issue, his future is currently uncertain. What he has done is leave a trail of strong offensive performance and a history of program turnarounds, but also a reputation that makes his next landing spot a major point of speculation. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile sports careers and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.